Mr. Nakib. Welcome to Delhi and AHA 2024. I wanted to know your genuine feedback working with Orange Fish Events Private Limited.
Farhan, first of all, thank you so much for designing such a beautiful stall. So it's like, the uttermost trust we have on Orange Fish. It's like the second time we are working with you. First event we did with you was the World Food India.
Right.
And now you also know like how beautiful you had designed that stall, based on which we had the trust to give you the second job. And moreover, the concept you came for the second stall was out of way of the box you had designed for us. To all the viewers listening to this, I would just like to say you one thing. You can just watch out the videos of this stall, the design, the concept, the Orange Fish has given to us this time. It's out of the box. It's not the basic designs which every stall it's seen in Ahar. It's completely on a different layout. Just for the understanding, the concept was like, the meat and the green, how will it go around? But it was the Orange Fish who initiated us, like if we will go with the design of meat with the green, and just see how beautiful the stall is. All the due hard work put in by Mr. Farhan and his team, and we really appreciate your hard work, Farhan, for giving us this beautiful design of the stall.
I am really thankful to you as well, because I have seen the amount of hard work you have also put in this time, in terms of supporting us, guiding us. You really have given your heart and soul in this project. So I'm really thankful to you personally as well for supporting us, and every time giving us wonderful feedbacks and all. Also, I want to do one more thing. In today's world, most of the agency, they promise something else and deliver something else. I want to know how close we are, whatever we promised and what we delivered finally.
Farhan, to be frank to you, from the day when we started on this project till the day the things were executed. So it's your whole team, it worked day and night for this project until the last moment. We, despite of each and everything we require at the last moment, you people never said a no. You people arranged for each and everything what we said to you. I know we troubled you a lot in this 3-4 days. But your dedicated team, really appreciate the entire team of yours for arranging each and every element what we said, and whatever we told you, it was like ditto what we told you, and you delivered to it. So no doubt on your work, on your timelines, your dedication, everything was superb. And plus onto it, we are doing one more event with you, inshallah.
Thanks so much.
Upcoming, in Bombay, as discussed with you. So it was been Trident. And let us see.
Thanks. Looking forward to work with you on more and more projects.
Sure,
it seems like Alana is one of our loyal clients now. So thanks for supporting us and every time. Thank you.
Thank you.